know this.
Ang imong paa!
When
Ang
we
tigas-tigas ng
first
talagang tuhod mo eh, parang
met,
sharp.
I got so nervous, I couldn't speak. I found the one and my life had found its missing piece. So as will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in one.
Ha!
And from the till my very last breath, this day I'll cherish.
Hoy, pa-cherish naman. Mali-mali explanation. Mali-mali yung pronunciation. May plancha sa likod, oh. Ayun, oh. Pang wedding yan eh. Pag ikakasal ako yan ang kakantahin.
You're my every reason.
Reason.
That I
Pastilan.
believe in. With all my heart, I
Para akong dinadayariya sa boses mo.
So as long as I live, I'll love you. You look so beautiful in one. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish.
Cherish. Cherish na. Ilocano ka naman, di makabisaya. Pag Bisaya yan, magaling mag-English yan. Cherish. Agay ka sa Mumurahin ng cherry te, cherish. Ano yan? Yung maniliit dun sa natin? Mansanitas. Cherish. Okay, ang sakit ang tuhod ko.
A future holds. I hope
Manila.
she has your eyes. Once love like you and I did. Yeah, Mr. Falls in love will let her go. And will her you so beautiful in one.
Tapos na?
Namatay na.
Grabe pati Ivo, natakot sa'yo.